Hi guys, this is Reina with MyStripViews.com, and today I'm here to show you how to put together this bed frame. This one comes from Nectar Sleep. I do love this bed frame to begin with. You're probably thinking, how come do I love it? I do love it because I've had this similar bed frame that I put together and I built in a different location. The other one came from Dream Cloud. This is from Nectar Sleep, which is all the same. You can always order them online, Dream Cloud or Nectar Sleep. Now this bed frame comes, as you can see, in this awesome box. Just one box is all you need. There's a headboard, there's all the parts and everything you need to build this bed and put it together. No tools required. Should be super easy because I have done it before. So let me show you how to put it together. Attached to the headboard and 2 legs attached to the footboard. This is step number 1. So B and C are going to be connected using this part D. Alright, same to the other side. Step 3. Headboard, footboard, and assembled side rails is what we need. So basically everything we assembled in step 1 and 2 is what we need to complete step 3. I'm going to use the bolts and my favorite little tool, the L match. Alright. Footboard to join the whole bed frame together. Entirely connected now, and we're going to put the rail that holds the slats together, and of course ultimately at the end the mattress to sit in this beautiful bed frame. So in this step, we were able to attach the center rail brackets to the U-bolt, which is this one. Just make sure they're all screwed in nicely to the headboard and to the footboard. I think we're almost finished. Looks like a bed frame to me right now. Looks really nice so far. I've done it before. I know it's gonna be nice at the end. Now make sure you leave the space available between the 2 center rails. It's there on purpose. The U-bolt or the U bracket has 2 side rails on each end. This is what you need to use, and then leave the middle one available because it's gonna be the final step to put another center rail together. So it's like cross. Now if you purchase a bigger size bed like a California King or King, it's gonna come with 2, not just 1 rail. Like this is just 1 and 1. I think the bigger ones have more rails. Makes sense. So there you have it, our beautiful, simple, easy to assemble bed frame coming from Nectar Sleep. Now I would love to put my Nectar mattress on it. It will look really beautiful. It will complete it. But it's somewhere on a boat, as you can see in this video, that video, somewhere. But I assure you it's going to add a beautiful touch to your bedroom. And look how pretty it is. Look at that headboard. It's just gorgeous. It's very affordable. It comes in 2 different colors, this one and a blue color. My other bed frame sits in a different location as well, and I have a Dream Cloud mattress sitting on it. It hides half of the headboard, so I think this is going to look beautiful, and I will show the whole bed frame if I have a skinnier mattress. So this is what I'm going to do later on. Stick around, I will show you some pictures once I have completed this setting. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Reina with NotBestReviews.com, and I will see you next time.